Hey friends, if you wish to download the Realtek audio driver for Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Realtek audio drivers in the Windows search bar. You can use the Windows search bar, but you can do it in the browser. It's better. Download it from the Realtek original website. Don't download it from any brand website. Okay, scroll down, check for the latest version, and check if it's compatible. Windows 10 will work on Windows 11. They're almost the same. Okay, and then click on this option and then accept and then download the file. Okay, and now it will ask for a captcha, and then you can submit it. Okay, and then you can save this zip file. And then you can, it's a very huge file. It's 400 and something MB, so it will need a lot of time for downloading and installing, but you can use it for downloading the Realtek audio drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.